Thank you very much. It's Ikemeneko here. So I just want to take you around the CUSAS model past questions. As you can see here, and as you should know, CUSAS is of two parts. One is the CBT and then the other one is the oral. So we have provided these model past questions for the CBT and for the oral interview. Now the CBT comprises of 3 subjects: verbal, reasoning, quantitative reasoning, and the civic education. So this is the model questions for verbal reasoning. Then if you scroll down, you're going to see questions for the civic education. This is for civic education, while this is for, what is it? Quantitative reasoning. So we have all the questions here which can actually help you. Somewhere down here you'll find the CBT interview drill. So all of these are bundled into the past questions. So that is the most reason why you should get a copy of the past questions today. And it is very easy to do that. All you do is to come to this site. So this is the link to this page. You can come to this page. You'll be able to land here. And when you are here, read everything from all the instructions on the page. Then you scroll down, enter your details here, click here to submit and get the past questions and the bonuses, and you'll be able to get the past questions right away. So go ahead, take action, and have a great time. Bye bye.